Hi everyone, this is ZPJ. I'm now speaking into the SHURE KSM-32, and I need to use a pop filter because it was creating a lot of plosives the first time I tried to record with this. It doesn't work well without a pop filter. It just creates a lot of plosives, and I can compare it to the SHURE 5575LE, which is based on a 1939 Unidyne vintage mic. It does have a birdcage windscreen on it, so it does stop a lot of the plosives. This one doesn't. The KSM-32 does not. Also, this one needs phantom power. It's a very sensitive mic. It picks up a lot of the noises. So right now my children are in the house. There's a playground behind me outside. So you can probably hear a lot of the noises slightly in the background being picked up. So you would need a well-treated room for this mic. It's something that is really good for vocals, I think, for singing. A lot of people like to use it for drums as an overhead. I don't have drums because I'm in an apartment, so I can't really make use of any drums in an apartment, but I do use it for a lot of other stuff. And I'm quite pleased with its application for classical guitars for singing. But now in this particular case, I just want to see what it sounds like speaking into it. And it's going right into my ear as we speak. There are some noises again outside from my kids that are being picked up. So it's highly sensitive. And I must say it does give my voice a rich quality that it doesn't normally have. It picks up the deeps, the mids. My voice tends to be a bit on the high, thin end, so it does give it volume. It may not suit everyone's voice, but I think it suits me well. I wouldn't say it's the best in terms of what it makes me sound, of how it makes me sound. I would say the SHURE SM7B and the SHURE 5575LE are a bit better in terms of picking up that richness in my voice. Nonetheless, it's a very nice mic, very well rounded, nice highs, not too very screechy. I've said this about other mics. I don't like the mics that pick up that screechiness at the top. This one doesn't do that. It picks up a very healthy range, and of course the mids are punchy, so they're not degraded or distorted in any way. They're very punchy, so everything comes through naturally. Well, this is my take on this mic. It's very nice. Of course, it comes with its own little travel case. I don't really use the travel case actually, unless I take it somewhere. But it is there, and the shock absorber that comes with it is quite nice. So there's no complaints with this mic. I think it's an all-arounder in terms of versatility. I haven't tried it in front of a guitar amp. Maybe later I will. But tell me what you think. Drop a line, give me some feedback. How does it sound to you in comparison to other mics that I've been using? How does my voice sound on this? Any kind of feedback would be very helpful. And don't forget to subscribe. If you subscribe to this channel, I can put out more of this kind of content. It really does help me keep the content rolling. All right, thank you very much, everyone. Over and out, ZPJ.